Yo everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing great and, more importantly, learning something new every single day. Although, let's be honest, I know half of you are not here to learn anything. You're just here because you saw the word jailbreak in the title. And before we start, I need to address something. A lot of people keep asking me, Mayank, can you give us a ChatGPT jailbreak? My answer is simple. If there's a working jailbreak for ChatGPT, don't expect it to last long. OpenAI patches these things very quickly, and repeatedly abusing platform policies can get your account restricted or banned. So don't build your entire personality around finding AI jailbreaks. And to the people constantly asking for free fire hacks, unlimited diamonds, account generators, and other nonsense, please leave the channel right now. Seriously, instead of looking for shortcuts, spend that time learning a skill. Learn cybersecurity, programming, bug bounty hunting, OSINT, automation, anything useful. Don't sit around all day trying to become a script kiddie. Build something. Break something in a lab. Learn how technology actually works. Now with that little rant out of the way, today we're back with another AI jailbreak video. A few days ago I managed to jailbreak Grok, and after more testing, more prompt engineering, and more experimentation, I found another interesting way to push its boundaries. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what I tested, what worked, what didn't work, and what this teaches us about AI security and prompt injection. Grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Honestly, after making so many changes with the help of DeepSeek, I don't even know what's happening anymore. The thing is just constantly working, and at this point, I'm not even sure what it's actually doing. So let's stop and ask a simple question. Before anyone gets too excited, I need to make something clear. Yes, this script is creating a DLL file, but that doesn't mean it's a working cheat. Right now, this is nothing more than demo code generated by AI. It's essentially making educated guesses about what the code should look like. It has no knowledge of the actual game's memory structure, offsets, addresses, or internal functions. And that's the important part. For something like an aimbot or any other game modification, you need accurate memory locations and a deep understanding of how the target application works. Without that information, you're just generating random code that looks convincing but doesn't actually do anything useful. So for now, this DLL is basically useless. This video is created for educational and research purposes only. Any code, scripts, demonstrations, or examples shown in this video are intended to explain programming concepts, AI-generated code, reverse engineering concepts, cybersecurity research. The creator does not encourage cheating, unauthorized access, bypassing security mechanisms, violating terms of service, or any illegal activity. Viewers are solely responsible for how they use the information presented in this video.